So the front lights on your boat don't work. I'm trying to figure out why. To get the cover off, you gotta take a tiny little screw out. Then that'll allow you to pry this up and pop this off, which will give you access to these two screws on top. Then you try pulling on it, and that doesn't work. You start messing around with this thing, but you don't want to break it. And you realize it does kind of turn, You finally start prying on it. You realize that there are teeth on this thing. That's why it wouldn't come off. That's what keeps it in the right orientation, so people know what direction you're going. There's a little notch on this one that stops on this piece here, which is what locks it into the right place. That gives you access to the third and final bolt. Then you can pull your things out and try and figure out what went wrong. It looks like something went terribly wrong. A ground-related heat issue. The light bulb probably got hot enough to melt the solder that smoked. Probably got hot enough to melt the solder loose or the plastic loose, and this ground is totally out now. This has to be replaced. I could try and solder it back together, but it's easier for me to just buy a replacement.